Mwandiki mukaru murugamie kwa ihinda ruhonge-ini rwa aruti wira wa muigana mbeu njithi Lilian Omollo, murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa NYS Richard Ndubai na Ekuirwo angĩ mirongo ĩrĩ aria makuruhanĩtio na ngukumia birioni 9 no meguthii nambere kuhoria cũrũ rumande kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe.
The manner in which the charges were brought violates Article 157(11) of the Constitution.
Oni thutha wa mucirithania munene cira-ini uyu Douglas Ogoti kuga itua riake rikurarerio nginyagia tariki 5 kiumia turorete ona ririkithia ria kurekererio na bodi rigiteanirio. Mwena wa ucirithania kuhitukira Amerika magukendekithia Ekuirwo maikare rumande nginyagia uthuthuria urikirire. Mawakiri a Ekuirwo umwe wao Richard Ndubai urugamire Richard Ndubai makiguthwo igutha muriendekithia ria uria marekererio na bodi makiuga ni haki yao gigatiba ni rarigire ihiga.
Your Honor, you realize that with all those accused persons not presented themselves to the court, I don't think even if the state was ready to proceed, we can proceed. However, on my part and my team, we are ready to proceed. But all the reason why the warrants of arrest should be issued.
Accused persons who are not present were audacious enough to instruct counsel, which I tend to think is a good thing. If they are audacious to instruct counsel to appear in court today, then that shows you that there is an intention for them to appear. Otherwise, they would have absconded and nobody would be knowing where they are.
Amwe a ahuri biashara aria marakinyirio bao-ini ni hamwe na Ann Gerita, Phyllis Jerry, Catherine Mwai, Anthony Wamiti, Peter Kimani, James Doita, Yvonne Ngoge, Jeremiah Gerita agatagati ka angĩ. Mucirithania Ogoti ho ni arutire mukana kuri aria matanakinya igoti-ini magekagwo mbere ya miaraho ya rucio. Ikereka ria keri ria thitango rikuhutia mabengi maria manyitire itemi kwamũkĩra mbeca ici matekurumira mawatho na mitaratara ya uigithia. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.